There must be an opening in the clouds now.
Inside that building. A severe thunderstorm. Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Banks County in northeastern Georgia until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Toccoa to near Hollywood to near Santee, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baldwin, Raoul, Pinefield Crossroads, and Hollingsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.